Hi, you're watching Mans, Hobbs and Interests. Today we're going to be looking at astronomy filters, and we're going to discuss the advantages and the benefits of using them. There's only 50 This is a green filter from a company called Agnicy. You would use a green filter for viewing Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, or even the moon. Why would you use one? Well, in situations where you might want to improve contrast. You would use any one of the filters actually to increase contrast or improve certain features on certain planets. The green filter particularly will block out red and blue wavelengths. It will increase the contrast of the Mars polar caps. It will increase the contrast on yellow dust storms if you're viewing Mars. You could also use it to look at cloud patterns of Venus, or even the atmosphere of Jupiter, where it will increase the contrast on certain ring patterns around the actual planet. Around Saturn, it will increase the contrast on the white rings of Saturn. So a green filter will increase contrast mainly and will make viewing a lot more comfortable. Let's take a look at the moon. Unfortunately, the other planets are not in my view right now because I'm in London and surrounded by buildings. So let's look at the moon and you'll get a better idea. As you can see, a lot of the red and blue wavelengths have been rejected here, and the contrast of the darker regions can be seen. The green filter is particularly useful for telescopes which are larger than 8-inch. You can see the darker surfaces of the moon here are highlighted. Certain lighter features are also highlighted in the craters. This is the Agnicy orange filter. It actually rejects blue and green wavelengths. It can be used to view planets such as Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, or the moon, and can even be used to view comets. When used to look at the lunar surface, the moon, it does change its color to a very deep orange, and the moon to me resembles the sun or an orange. Let's have a closer look at the moon's surface in orange now, and show you guys what you're in for. As you can see, it does transform the moon into something very different. It certainly looks very attractive in orange, and the craters and the details of the moon are enhanced. It's blocked out the blue and the green wavelengths, and you're left with this lovely orange image, which could look like the sun if you had no idea, or an orange. Wow, that was different. Let's take a look at the Agnicy light yellow filter. Light yellow filter is an excellent filter for bringing out lunar features on the surface of the moon. It can also be used to look at Maria on Mars, and is perfect for looking at Jupiter, as it enhances the red and orange details. Let's go and take a look at the moon, the lunar surface now, and see what this is all about. Well, straight away we can see It's a more natural colour. The surface details of the moon are enhanced. Contrast is a lot better to look at with the naked eye rather than having it without a filter. With greater magnification, you'll see greater features using a light yellow filter. This filter is particularly good at looking at Neptune with large telescopes, which are actually larger than 10" also, bear mentioning. Well, there you have it. 3 very common filters. Are they worth having? I think so. Depends on your telescope and obviously your vision. Some people are partially colorblind, they don't even know, but using filters will definitely increase certain features of planets and will make your viewing experience a lot more pleasant. I particularly like the light yellow filter, and I do use it to look at the moon. If I'm going to look at Saturn, I would use the green filter. Unfortunately, I couldn't get any images of Saturn or Mars at present. It's early January, and these planets are behind the buildings, so I can't get any imaging right now for those. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, do like and subscribe. If you subscribe, it's going to help me, and I'm going to be able to do a lot more videos for you guys. So help me out and I'll help you guys out. Anyway, thanks guys, and I'll hopefully see you next week.
Perfect.